Welcome back to another video, guys. We're going to be doing teriyaki, mushroom and string bean. Beside it, we're going to be doing some white rice. Now I'm using long grain white rice. You can use any rice of your choice. Guys, this recipe is super easy to do. This is the last of the mushroom that I've been using from the other day, guys. If you go in my community, I leave a number in there for the persons who sell the mushrooms here in Jamaica. This recipe, guys, is so easy to make. If you want something different, like a different flavor profile for your dinner, then this is what you need to be doing. So let's get straight into this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, just regular white rice to do it now, right? So we're going to, by the way, is 2 cups of rice. We're going to go in with some water, and don't forget to add salt. Alright, all your ingredients will be listed in the description box. You can just cover it and let it bring to a boil. No, listen, rice is easy to cook. No detail, no fandangles for this one. Remember, we're going to be doing the teriyaki mushroom and green bean, so it's very basic. It's a very basic dinner this you're getting this evening, guys. Alright, let's move over to the mushrooms, starting with the scallion first, right? For now, we just want this amount, not a lot. So you can use 1 small scallion, right? And half of an onion, or if you have a small onion, you can use half of that onion, right? Now, for the string beans, I want you to remove the top of it and also the bottom. I know Jamaican people are going to cuss me now and say, oh, it's good for when you have diabetes, but for this recipe you can take it off. For all the years we eating string bean, it's okay to remove. And what you can do is just slice the longer ones. Like the short ones like this, you don't need to cut it, but the longer ones, you just slice them in half. Alright, for the mushroom, just rough chop it, because remember, they're going to shrink down. You don't want to cut them too fine. Can't do this dish and not use garlic. Remember, garlic is very crucial in making this dish, right? It's what's going to help bring up the flavor. Alright, let me show you how to make the sauce now. Now for the sauce, we're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Also, some white pepper. My hand was too heavy on the white pepper. Some mushroom sauce, like a tablespoon, right? Now this is the one that I'm using. Also, I'm going to use some teriyaki sauce. And over here, our rice is coming along pretty good. Alright, we're going to go in with some oil. Enough to saute everything nicely, alright? And our garlic. I know why you burn the garlic, right? So as soon as you start to smell it release the aroma, you can put in your scallion and onion and thing, right? We're going to go in with the string beans. Aroma, smelling so good already. So as soon as the beans change color, you want to add in the mushrooms, right? Remember, mushroom is so versatile, guys. You can prepare it and to mimic any meat that you're used to eating. I think it's great. It have a phenomenal texture. The oyster mushroom, so nice. We're going to go in with the entire amount of the sauce now. That's it, guys. This dish is finished. Right? We're going to plate it now and show you. Alright, for the rice here, just fluff it up, man. Just finished cooking. Alright, so we're going to go in now with the rice in the mold. This rice is good for making fried rice. I think my brain was going more than my mouth a while ago. We are humans, right? We can make mistakes. Perfect. Gonna go in with the mushroom now. Right on top of that. Now for this dish, we're gonna top it off with some sesame seed and some freshly cut scallion. And there you have it, guys, our teriyaki mushroom with string beans. I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.